The history of academia is filled with brilliant minds, scientists, philosophers, and mathematicians who reshaped our understanding of the world. But many of these thinkers were not only brilliant, they were also eccentric. Some avoided social life entirely, others withdrew from academia at the peak of their careers. A few developed habits and beliefs that puzzled even their closest colleagues. Why does intellectual genius sometimes seem to come with unusual personalities? And what do these strange figures reveal about the nature of creativity and discovery? Welcome to one of academia's most fascinating oddities, the Brilliant Eccentric. Intellectual work requires long periods of intense concentration. Philosophers, mathematicians, and scientists may spend years wrestling with abstract problems that few other people understand. This kind of work can create a certain distance from everyday life. Some scholars become deeply absorbed in their intellectual work. Their attention shifts away from ordinary social routines and towards theoretical problems. Over time, this intense focus can produce habits that appear unusual or eccentric to others. One of the most famous examples is Kurt Gödel, one of the greatest logicians of the 20th century. Gödel revolutionized mathematics with his incompleteness theorems, which show that any sufficiently powerful mathematical system contains truths that cannot be formally proven within the system itself. His work fundamentally changed the philosophy of mathematics and logic, but Gödel was also known for his unusual personal life. He developed an extreme fear of being poisoned. Eventually, he refused to eat food prepared by anyone other than his wife. When she became ill and could no longer cook for him, Gödel stopped eating. He died of starvation in 1978. His life became a tragic example of how intellectual brilliance can coexist with profound personal vulnerability. Another remarkable figure was Alexander Grothendieck, one of the most influential mathematicians of the 20th century. Grothendieck transformed modern geometry through revolutionary ideas that shaped entire areas of mathematics. His work introduced powerful abstract frameworks that are still central to modern mathematical research. At the height of his career, he was widely regarded as one of the greatest mathematicians in the world. Then something strange happened. Grothendieck gradually withdrew from academic life. He left his prestigious research position and eventually disappeared almost entirely from the mathematical community. For decades he lived in near isolation in rural France, writing long philosophical reflections and avoiding contact with former colleagues. His withdrawal remains one of the most mysterious episodes in modern academic history. Psychologists and historians of science have long wondered whether eccentricity and creativity are connected. Some researchers suggest that highly creative individuals often think differently from the surrounding culture. They may challenge conventions, question assumptions, and explore unusual intellectual paths. These traits can lead to groundbreaking discoveries, but they can also create social distance. Scholars who spend their lives exploring unfamiliar ideas may find themselves out of step with ordinary expectations. Of course, the connection between genius and eccentricity is often exaggerated. Most scholars lead ordinary lives. They teach students, collaborate with colleagues, and participate in academic communities. The image of the mad genius sometimes distract from the collaborative nature of scientific progress. Many important discoveries result from teams of researchers working together over long periods of time. Even figures like Gödel and Grothendieck relied on intellectual communities that helped shape their ideas. Despite this, the stories of brilliant eccentrics continue to fascinate people. Part of the appeal lies in the mystery of intellectual creativity. When someone produces ideas that transform an entire field, we naturally wonder what kind of mind could achieve such insight. Eccentric personalities make these stories even more intriguing. They remind us that intellectual history is not only about theories and discoveries, it is also about the unusual individuals who created them. The presence of unconventional thinkers can actually benefit academic life. People who see the world differently may challenge assumptions that others take for granted. Their unusual perspectives can lead to new approaches, unexpected questions, and creative breakthroughs. In this sense, intellectual diversity, including eccentricity, can help expand the boundaries of knowledge. The brilliant eccentrics of academia remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is a deeply human activity. Ideas emerge not only from institutions or research programs, but also from the unique personalities of the individuals who pursue them. Some scholars follow conventional paths, others take strange, unexpected journeys. Both kinds of thinkers contribute to the evolving landscape of human knowledge, and sometimes the most unusual minds leave the deepest mark on intellectual history. In the next episode of Oddities in Academia, we explore how certain theories and ideas suddenly become fashionable within academic disciplines, and how intellectual trends rise, dominate, and sometimes disappear just as quickly.